running to me.
Yeah. Where's the pillow? Now. I see Mr. Graham. Come on, get now. I'll let you do that.
You just allowed your buy and got it.
I'm going fast. I'm going to do it.
Listen, let's pass out the road, sit down.
Oh? I need my maid fan to call me. What me say to you?
Why am I not calling you? Someone let kill up yourself.
You call me. Let me see what I did. Come on. I just said, to the company, man.
You don't get you, that's why I never write it.
If I call you back, you know.
Shut them out, you're too jumpy. You don't see us now what I want to chat.
Yes, and my maid fan is calling me.
You did? What? What did he say? What did he say? What did he say?
A Japanese.
Adios, Foot. Adios. Adios. Adios.
Just say goodbye.
Guys, my aunt came to spend the mornings with me.
And then?
Then she has to go to make that money. And then she is going to go to sleep.
And then?
And then do the same thing tomorrow morning. What is life, darling? What is life? What is life? I already lost $300.
$300 where?
Doing the cash pot.
300 Jamaican.
300 Jamaican. And I am highly upset. I would not be buying a cash pot. Guys are just here chilling. Like a villain. Another day, another day, another day, another day. I had a bad dream last night, but I can't remember it completely. What are you doing, Mom? Guys, we are just here. We're gonna go to Lucy later because Mom has some errands to run. She's right here. She's just picking out the almonds so we can make the drops and stuff. Not a lot going on. I'm updating my site right now. So I'm adding some new stuff like phone cases and like little cute stuff. Yeah, so check out my website. Other than that, it's like a chill day. Nothing that crazy going on. My top is from Shop House of Elegance. And they're currently having a sale right now. I think it's like up to 40%. And then there's an extra 15% if you use the code Elegance. So check it out. It is a small business and it's Jamaican owned, so support. Yeah, so now we're just chilling. I did my makeup really fast, but it looks okay. But yeah, all right guys. Guys, we are going into Lucy right now. Y'all, I took a nap, so that's why my face might look a little bit swollen, because I was passed out, child. So yeah, so we're going into Lucy right now. Dang, I slept off all night. Guys, we are walking in Lucy Town. Mom's right here. Where are we going?
Show me out.
Mom doesn't want me to show her up. Guys, we're gonna go buy fish. Mom said she's not cooking tonight.
Where's the nana?
Yeah, the rice was banging.
Okay, rice.
Yeah, I just want...
Kingfish. The jack is on top of it.
Yeah, it's super bonita. Guys, we're gonna be making the almond drop. I'm allergic to peanuts, so that's why we're not doing peanuts, or we could have just bought that, but they don't look too, they look fake. Look at this brown, it's not even brown. We are going to make almond drops. I'm probably gonna do a separate video to show you guys, like not in the vlog, but I'll show you the
What is?
almond porridge mix.
Oh, look at nice.
Peanut porridge, but now they have almond porridge.
Yeah, plantain porridge too.
I'm not a fan of plantain. What's mega fun?
You don't know.
No? Try it. We're gonna try almond porridge. Hi, how are you? So yeah. We are going back home to eat. If I'm not the size of a bus when I leave here, I don't know what is real. You got it? Guys, we're walking back home. So we got bonita fish and we got milk and sugar and fish, and that's it. I'm hungry. And juice and orange juice. I'm feeling for orange juice, and I don't like orange juice at all, but I wanted some. And now we are, what are we doing? We're going home. We're going home. Mom's gonna make the drops. I'm gonna do a separate video for that, so you guys can see how to make almond drops. And yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get home. Guys, we're home. I'm chilling. Mom is making the drops. The dog is right here eating. Not a lot going on. I wanted to tell you guys something, but I do not remember. What was I gonna tell you guys? You know, I can't remember. If I remember, I'll tell you guys. And I said I was gonna wait to tell you. I don't remember, but it's a question that everybody was asking me, and I can't. Man, my mind is everywhere. But anyways, yeah, we're just chilling. We're making almond drops, and my mom cracked all these almonds, and literally, it's like a handful that we got. It's so crazy. But another day in Jamaica. I leave very soon. So for the rest of the week, I'm not really sure what's going on, but on Sunday, I don't know if I already told you guys this, but on Sunday, my cousin's aunt, she passed away. So Mom and I were gonna go to the funeral just to support them, because, you know, family over everything. So here we're gonna go. I didn't bring any black or anything, so I'm gonna wear like a light pink dress. And yeah, light pink, yeah, because I didn't bring anything. I have like a black dress, but I don't think it's like appropriate. Mom, let me come watch the thing. Listen, let me tell you guys what's going on. Hold on.
Where's sugar there? Give me sugar. Take a sugar from the in Asia. Are you letting me put it in your hole?
So I'm trying to film how to make the almond drop. Mom wouldn't even say nay or ray when she's about to do something. I gotta be keenly sitting here just waiting like a statue. But yeah, we're making almond drops, and yeah, so that will be up. Are you gonna cook anything else for them to see? She's gonna cook what?
You don't want to.
So anyways, we are making the almond drops. And that's it.